Introducing PrompTessor. Let's start with the prompt generator. Simply type your idea into the chat, for example, asking for a sustainable fashion campaign. The AI builds a comprehensive prompt instantly. You can refine it iteratively, like making it specific for TikTok and Instagram, or turning it into a reusable template. Once it's perfect, save it directly to your library. Then use Prompt Optimizer. Paste your existing prompt here and add any extra context. Hit Analyze and Optimize. PrompTessor gives you a detailed quality score, token usage, and deep metrics. It also provides fully optimized variations. You can even add custom feedback to refine the prompt further until it's exactly what you need. Use Prompt Refinement. Just input your prompt and your feedback on the right. The tool instantly restructures it, adding clear placeholders and formatting to make it highly reusable across different campaigns. Now for one of our most powerful features, Reverse Prompt. Start by uploading an image. PrompTessor analyzes the visual elements, style, and composition to generate a highly detailed reverse prompt. You can even test it immediately by running it in ChatGPT to see the AI recreate a similar image. It doesn't stop at images. You can also upload a video. The tool analyzes the motion, lighting, and scene to reverse engineer a precise video generation prompt. You can also reverse engineer text. Just paste a content text or URL. PrompTessor breaks down the writing style, structure, and tone, giving you a prompt to generate similar high-quality content. Manage all your prompts in the prompt library. This is your personal vault. Browse your private prompts, explore community favorites, or check out official templates. You can view detailed structures, adjust visibility settings, or manually create a brand new prompt from scratch. Fill in the details, select your models, and save. PrompTessor. Build, improve, reverse engineer, and organize better AI prompts in one workspace. Try PrompTessor now and see your AI performance improve.